Osmundson's approach to worker health and safety is one of our top priorities. Our main goal is to be able to send the employees home to their loved ones in the same way that they came to us. A lot of our safety hazards have to deal with soft tissue strains and the environmental part of it, dehydration, heat exhaustion, but we didn't know the extent of it until we brought MākuSafe in.
We make agricultural and tillage equipment for the ground engaging wear parts for ag and construction industry. Our culture, we've always used to be proud of the fact that we're a family company. We genuinely do care about their well-being. It's starting to get through to everybody that we truly are a family and that we genuinely care about each other like a family.
We launched MākuSafe September of 2022. We have around 130 workers. MākuSafe helps let our employees know that management is trying to do something to help make their job easier.
I like the fact that they're willing to go an extra step and maybe think about us not getting hurt and possibly how can they benefit us in this company.
Ceres has a history of interacting with Osmundson in many different areas, including technology. They came to several events that we had at Iowa State University. Through that engagement, we started working with them to help them with some of their technology workforce issues. As a result, we saw an opportunity for them to better understand the physicality of the work that was being imposed on their operators. And then we made a connection with them with MākuSafe and the system that they have.
When they mentioned that we were going to start MākuSafe, a lot of people weren't on board. They weren't really for it. They're like, great, we got something else to monitor us, where we're going and how long our breaks are.
Well, at first I thought maybe it would be a problem. I thought maybe they were just trying to control us more, but come to find out it's just something that they're looking after us with.
We started with, I think, one full set, thinking, hey, this is enough for third shift for sure, and part of first shift. We'll get as much data and see where it goes from there. It's either going to be great or it'll be a bust, and we at least know. And it turned out that I don't even think maybe 2 months at most, and then we were ordering our second and third ones. So I'm really surprised how quickly the buy-in, just with the data, that it was easy to read, easy for us to interpret for all of our employees, and then they really understood, hey, this is a good thing. It's not just one more thing.
What surprised me the most about working with MākuSafe is the amount of data that we can collect, from location to individual person to trends over time to environmental factors.
The analytics behind MākuSafe takes all that reams of information and gives them actionable areas to focus on, so they can be hyper-focused, understand, make change, improve. It's that whole plan, do, study, act, that continuous improvement cycle. MākuSafe gives you that information to make that cycle go faster and faster.
The air quality where I work is getting pretty dusty, and they said that they're going to have a better look at that. Ever since then, they've been taking their steps to make the air quality a little better in here.
Once every few weeks, like, oh, my shoulder hurts for this or that. A lot of it has to do with repetitive, using the hammer, beating on things, maybe find an easier way so that when we pull out a tape measure and try to measure, see where it's off and hit that side instead of banging the crap out of something.
I actually went to the supervisor one day and asked him, I said, what do these things do? And he kind of showed me. It was on a day I was actually struggling, and you could see where my levels had went up and where they went down. And then after I got everything figured out at my spot, it all leveled out.
MākuSafe, with all the data, it'll allow us to be more proactive in our approaches with our employees instead of reactive.
At the end of the day, for us, what's most important is increased employee morale, decreased injuries and absenteeism, and overall just work effectiveness.